News at this a special CBI court has denied the bail order of DMK MP Kanimozhi. That's the news just coming in. As we said a short while back, that the order was expected at 2:30, and the order was deferred last week on May 14th to May 20th. So all those anxious moments and that big wait for the DMK MP is over. Her bail plea has been denied. We've seen rather interesting arguments with Ram Jethmalani, her counsel, saying that she is a woman, she needs to be given bail, but at the end of it, the CBI has opposed it. Of course, now the suspense over it is completely over. Kanimozhi, there's no bail for Kanimozhi, and in fact, along with Kanimozhi, we will also get to know what the details are of the fate of the Kalaignar MD Sharad Kumar, who would also be decided by the special judge, that's O.P. Saini. The order had been deferred from last week to May 20th. Well, of course, this is the big news, a big setback for the DMK, a big setback for the DMK MP. Well, let's go across to Neha Khanal joins us. Neha, what are the details, this big breaking news, her bail being denied?
Well, Kulsum, a detailed order is still awaited. The judge only pronounced the order in one line, saying that the bail pleas of Kanimozhi and Sharad Kumar, MD of Kalaignar TV, have been dismissed, and this essentially means that they will be immediately taken into custody and will in fact be sent to Tihar jail later today, because remember that the CBI is not seeking their custody. The CBI is through with its interrogation of these two. What the court had to decide was whether they were going to be granted bail or whether they were going to be sent into judicial custody. Today the court has decided that bail will not be granted to Kanimozhi and to Sharad Kumar, which means that they will be taken into custody any minute now, and they are certainly now headed to Tihar jail. That is really the news coming out of the special CBI court at Patiala House here in Delhi at the moment, Kulsum. But details of the order are still awaited. We will have to wait for till we get a copy of the written order, so we know what are the exact reasons for these two being denied bail. The court hasn't spelled out the reasons so far, but of course, when we get the detailed judgment, we will know, the exact reasons for which these two have been denied bail. But as of now, the big news coming out of the special CBI court is that the court has refused to grant leave to Kanimozhi and Sharad Kumar, which means they will have to now